Koalas are unique tree-dwelling animals from Australia with some amazing behaviors. They spend most of their time high in eucalyptus trees, eating leaves that are poisonous to most creatures, but their special stomachs break down the toxins. Since their diet has little energy, koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. They have strong limbs, sharp claws, and two opposable thumbs for expert climbing. Baby koalas, called joeys, live in their mother's pouch before riding on her back. Despite their cute appearance, koalas can be territorial and make deep growling sounds to communicate. They are truly fascinating, tree-loving animals. Thanks for watching, Anabunker. Like, subscribe, and stay wild.